Okay mga ka-farmers, ito yung pinaka-favorite natin, yung boarding. We're on board again, going to Manila. Ito, galing kami ng Bacolod. Kasalukuyan, papasok kami yung as priority senior. Kaya kami yung nauuna. Ayan mga farmers on board. Kaway-kaway.
Next box away 07, first box ready 09.
Okay, we're on board again. C2C. Hello, good evening. 3D.
Yes, sir. Morning fasting po.
Saan ma'am? Sa dulo?
Yan po saan?
Dito. Okay.
Lakad ka lang.
Okay.